Hello, my name is Max Verstappen, and today we are going to kidnap Lando Norris so he doesn't win the championship. Anyway, so I start driving towards Lando's house with my go-kart. Okay, so here it is. I have to be very sneaky. Let's search this room. No, not here. How about this one? Yes! Lando, wake up.
Who the fuck is in my room at 3 AM? Max? What do you want?
Follow me, I'm bribing you. You copycat.
Okay, chill.
You have to swim to this hole in the wall. I got you a present.
Okay, and now I just keep walking, I guess?
Ha 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 ha, it was a scam now. I'm winning the championship. Finally, the championship is mine.